Today we will be testing a trend following trading strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a trend following trading strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 536 different strategies. The best one so far was able to achieve a 100% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex Indicator to trade the crypto scalping strategy that I'll mention in this video on a live trading account. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a trend following trading strategy. And so the source video says, secret to achieving 100% profit using the buy and sell indicator on TradingView. And so, of course, I'm going to have a few different problems with this statement. First, as we know, as I've said many times before, no strategy, no indicator is going to be 100% profitable. At some point, it is going to take a losing trade. Now again, I know when I show the scoreboard, I talk about how the best strategy was able to maintain a 100% win rate, and that was using the Academy Forex Indicator, but that was also using a position management strategy that gives you an edge to help you get the most amount of trades that you can in a row before taking a losing trade. And in that testing, when we were trading it on a live trading account, we took close to 100 winning trades in a row without taking a losing position. And so when someone makes the claim that you're going to be 100% profitable, you definitely want to raise your eyebrows a little bit on that one. And the other thing is that this strategy does not give buy and sell signals. It gives a couple indicators that you can interpret the buy and sell according to what the indicators are doing. So source video, a little bit problematic in the title. But we'll go ahead and hide the two indicators we have on screen now. The first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the TrendCraft ICT Swift Edge. This one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen, and we'll jump into the settings, and what we'll do is change this SMA link to 39. We're then going to jump into the styles, go down to bottom, close to the bottom anyway, and turn off the pane labels and the lines. Then go ahead and click OK. The next indicator we'll add to the screen is going to be the THMA VWAP oscillator. It's going to be this one right here. Go ahead and click on that one and add it to the screen. And again, we'll jump into the settings, and under the inputs, you're going to want to change the THMA link to 30 and the THMA trend link to 18. Then jump into the styles, and I think everything but these two you'll keep checked. So just turn off the same two pane labels and tables, then go ahead and click OK. And so what we're looking for a short trade, so we are looking for when the ICT Swift Edge has a red background like this here. We're then going to look down to the VWAP oscillator, and we want it to have a red background and line as well. And that'll be our signal to then enter into a short. So we'll put our trade here. We're going to put our stop just right above the kind of ICT Swift Edge cloud and target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward, putting us right about there. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see how it plays out. And you can see we just kind of bounce up and down for a moment there, got real close to our stop, then made this push to the downside, getting us to our take profit. And for a long trade, what we are looking for is the ICT Swift Edge to have a green background. And then we're going to look down to the VWAP oscillator. And we want to also have a green background and line. Now I squashed this down really tight here. So basically just created a solid straight line across there. So that way we don't have to chase it up and down. And you can see it pretty clear there, whether or not it's red or green. Anyways, so back to it here, we have the green Swift Edge and the green VWAP oscillator. And that'll be our signal to then enter into a long. We'll put our trade here. We're going to put our stop just right below the Swift Edge, the cloud there, and target the same 1 to 1.5 risk reward, just like before. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see how it plays out. And you can see this really nice push to the upside, getting us zero take profit once again. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It's been able to achieve in the high 80% win rate, and coupled with the position management strategy that I'm teaching all the patrons, skyrockets the win rate to the high 90%, consistently around 99% over hundreds of trades. You can click the link up in the corner now. It'll take you to that video on the strategy. I'll also put a thumbnail of that video up on screen now, and I will link to that same video at the end of this video. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on the strategy. So we did the 50 trade test, and out of those 50 trades, we got 16 winning trades and 34 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 32% win rate. With the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $9,600. On the losing side, you would have been risking $400 per losing trade. Means that your total loss would have been $13,600. It would have put your total profit and loss at negative $4,000. So again, definitely not achieving 100% profitability and not getting buy and sell signals. During the same period of time, we did right at 41 trades with the Academy Forex Indicator. We had right at an 80% win rate, putting our total gain right at $19,000, so definitely better results. You can get a free trial access to the Academy of Forex Indicator when you sign up for a Patreon down below, and $15 a month maintains access to the indicator after the trial plus your Patreon status. We will also teach you a position management strategy that will skyrocket the win rate of the Academy of Forex Indicator to the high 90%, and show you how to get access to a crypto broker that will give you over 100 times leverage on the account with no ID requirements, almost wherever you are in the world, all but guaranteeing that you will be successfully trading with our systems within an hour. We've also developed an additional crypto scalping strategy, and coupled with our position management strategy we teach all the patrons, was able to achieve over 200 winning trades in a row in back testing and dozens of winning trades in a row in live testing. To view that video, click the link up in the corner now. It'll look like a little circle with an eye in it. Click on that eye, it'll take you down to 2 thumbnails, and click the thumbnail that you see on screen now. Alright, that's going to put us at the end of the testing on this one. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the no list and move on to the next video from here.